Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Build It All team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon in Super Checkout. So we're going to go to Cheetah, going to scroll down and create a new website. I'm just going to call this coupon. Going to click on a blank template. Now remember, like I said before, you need to create your pages well in advance before you start. So let's just create the thank you page because it's important. We are going to sell a single product. So I'm just calling this thank you. And I'm going to hit save. Now on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down until we get to Super Checkout. And obviously, because it's a new domain, we have to fill in our details as always and click Save. And we are going to go scroll down until you see Create Coupon. And we're going to give it a name. Let's say My Coupons. And we're going to add the coupon. And you could choose between a fix or a percentage. I'm just going to choose percentage. And how long it is going to be valid, the start date and the end date. So I'm just going to choose that and create coupon. And then confirm the list creation. So now you would see it said right there. And it's available. So now the next step that you need to do is go and create your product. I'm going to go through this section quite fast because we've done this previously so that we would be able to show you how it works. So I'm going to add the image. I'm just adding text. Going to go through it. Now this is the important part where it says select coupon list. You're going to drop down list and you would see it sits there, my coupons, build it all. And let me just give it a price. I'm not going to fill in all of the other details because we just want to show you how it looks like on the end. The thank you page and the home page that we've created, and we're going to click next. We're not going to do any of those things right now. We're going to click next and next, and we accept it. Alright, now we're going to go grab the link. It is this checkout URL. We're going to go to our site. I'm going to edit, and you're going to add your iframe. Going to add the panel first. Then we're going to go grab the element, which is the iframe. Drop it in. I'm just removing the text, it's in my way. And I'm just going to make this slightly bigger. I'm going to right click on it, general settings, and embed the URL and say apply. Now you would see it sits right there, but we need to make more space. So I'm going to right click, go to the sizes and just increase the height of the site so that I increase until I can see the buttons properly. So let's do it like that. Move it up a bit. And I'm going to hit save. And that's fine. And when you scroll up right here, you could see it asks apply coupon. So when the visitor comes to the site and you've given them a coupon, they can type in the coupon name that you've created in Super Checkout and say apply coupon. So in this case, the name that you've given it, if we go back to the coupons quickly, so you can see what it looks like. Where is my coupon? Sorry. The coupons code is my coupons build it all. So that is, let me just edit it to make sure. No, not delete it. Edit it. The code is build it all. There we go. And all they need to do is type in that code to get 10% discount. So let's go take a test. We're going to go preview it. I'm going to scroll down and we'll just type in build it all. And apply coupon. And you can see it gives them the 10% discount. And that is how you would create a coupon in Super Checkout.